Let me teach you a simple shortcut. One clear idea that shows up again and again in many money books, mindset books, and investing books. Most people hear it, but they miss the main point. Ready? Getting rich is not a strange secret. It is a repeated behavior. That's it. The first thing wealthy people understand is this: money goes to useful people. Not just hardworking people, useful people. Many books say it in different words, but the meaning is the same. If your work does not solve a real problem for real people, serious money will not come. You can work late and try hard, but if your work does not create real benefit for someone else, the money stays small. This can feel unfair because we want effort to be rewarded. But the world rewards results. In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki says, "The rich don't work for money." He does not mean rich people do nothing. He means they choose work that leaves something behind. Make it simple. You work today, but the result should not end today. Build something that helps you tomorrow too. A strong skill, loyal customers, a small product, a good reputation, or anything that makes people come back again and again. Wealth is what stays. Income is what comes and goes. Now, the second secret looks almost silly, but it changes lives. Wealthy people do not treat money like a spoiled child. They treat money like a serious employee. Money must have a clear job. It must know where it goes, why it goes, and when it goes. If money has no owner in your life, it will run everywhere. If money has an owner, it becomes calm. Different books call this order, habits, discipline, or personal rules. The name does not matter. The meaning is one. Money without rules does not stay. The richest man in Babylon gives a golden message: pay yourself first. It means, before your money disappears, set aside a part for your future. Not with emotion, with a decision. This is exactly what many people do not do. And then they say, it's impossible. It is possible. The truth is simple. Your priority is somewhere else. Wealthy people put the priority first, and then they live with the rest.
Thank you.
It may start small, but the power is in repetition. Now, the third secret is the one that makes people say, that's my problem. Most people are not stuck because they earn too little. They are stuck because money leaks. A leak means small spending that repeats. Like ants, one piece is small, but day by day, it empties the table. The psychology of money says money is not only math, it is behavior. And behavior means this: many bad expenses come from mood, not from need. You feel tired, you feel bored, you feel stressed. Your mind wants quick comfort, so money escapes. The next day you say, "Why did I buy that?" Because you did not decide. Your mood decided. Eckhart Tolle in The Power of Now talks about the present moment. In money language, it means one tool: pause. Before an emotional purchase, pause. A small pause stops many stupid money moves. And here's a real joke. Late night you is not a good money manager. At night, your brain can convince you that something is very necessary. In the morning, you look at it and think, who bought this? That pause can protect your money. The fourth secret is focus. If you want better money, but you walk 10 roads at the same time, your money becomes 10 weak pieces. Napoleon Hill in Think and Grow Rich says, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. People forget the hidden part. Belief needs direction. A mind that wants a new goal every day is like a driver turning the wheel every minute, then wondering why they never arrive. Wealthy people usually choose one goal, and they repeat one path until it becomes strong. It is not magic, but because most people hate repetition, it feels like magic. The fifth secret is this: Wealth is not built by jumps. Wealth is built by stacking. Compound means small but continuous. Investing books say the same message in different ways. Do not chase excitement. Chase stability. Warren Buffett is famous for this style: calm, logical, long-term. Big money often comes from building slowly, not from moving in panic. Many people lose because they cannot wait, not because they are not smart. If you remember this, you are already ahead. The sixth secret is the one people hate to hear. Your money character is your real character.
Oh, yes.
If you lie to yourself to feel calm, you will also lie to yourself with money. If you take yourself seriously, money becomes serious too. James Allen in As a Man Thinketh says, "As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he." The Bible in Proverbs says a very similar idea. It means your inner standard becomes your outer life. Money follows that rule as well. Now I will say the full message in one clear sentence. Money sticks to the person who creates clear benefit for people, does not leave money ownerless, does not let bad moods spend for them, chooses one direction and stays with it, and waits for small results to stack into big results. That's it. No magic, no complicated theory. Simple actions that many people ignore because they look too simple, and then they wonder why nothing changes. And here is the last direct line. If you bring even one of these behaviors into your real life today, your money game will change. Not because luck came, because the causes changed. And when the causes change, the result must change. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe. In the next videos, we go practical and break it down step by step. Drop a comment with your experience.